SEI Industries and Field Support Services have got 3 ignition products that are ground based. First is the PyroShot spring gun. It's a spring actuated gun, fires the same 1-inch dragon egg. Pull back on the device, push it forward, this will shoot about 75 feet. The PyroShot High Speed is a CO2 propelled Dragon Ball launcher. Very same principle. Inject the ball, fire it. This one will shoot up to about 400 feet. But today we're going to talk about the Green Dragon from SEI Industries. We're going to talk about the control box and regulator. We've now got the power hooked up here. On the side, got a little fuse, or not a fuse, a breaker. Plug in the breaker. See a red light come on for low pressure, and a green light come on for power, knowing you have power. Low pressure, this gun will not fire without pressure. Safety feature of it. Turn on the CO2 bottle, the red light goes away. You now have power. Next piece to attach, the trigger mechanism. It's got 3 functions: auto and manual. Manual is single shot, pull the trigger, single shot, or hold it, continuous shooting at the speed you pick. Alright. 3 separate items. You have speed, a load button, and a safe and arm switch. This will not fire with the switch into safe. It will fire into armed. Alright, so the load button, we'll put 5 balls into this feed tube. The other feature of the Green Dragon is its variable speed, up to about 35 balls a minute. It is on a rheostat. You pick your speed to fire. All Dragon and PyroShot devices use a 1-inch ball with 3 grams of potassium per magnate. We call it a dragon egg. The different environments the Green Dragon will be used in presented a challenge on how to feed the eggs to the gun. What we incorporated was a pressure feed system. The hopper mechanism uses 2 hard flappers to carry the eggs to the feed tube. What continues to happen is the soft flappers pass by the egg in the feed tube, providing pressure against the barrel until the barrel opens to accept the next egg. As in older technologies and newer dragon eggs, the catalyst is glycol. Every shot out of this machine is a half a cc or half a milliliter glycol. Punctures the ball, causing a chemical reaction immediately, and in about 15 to 30 seconds, this ball ignites. With power, this cam rotates, pushing this shuttle, this is where the ball entry is, pushing this shuttle up against a ball into the glycol pump, which pumps the half a cc of glycol into the ball, and at the same time opens the barrel. Accepting the ball, the barrel closes and fires. We're going to talk about the pressure system. You have a gauge and a regulator. To change the pressure, pull up on the yellow knob, clockwise, pressure up, counterclockwise, pressure down. This adjusts the range of the ball. Maximum range is approximately 225 to 235 feet. To adjust the elevation on the gun, pull back on the handle. Rotate to how you like it. 45 degrees is optimal. Lock into place, good to go. This unit operates at 180 degrees. You cannot fire the Green Dragon behind you. There's a handle here that will lock this into place. Now that you've got your Green Dragon ready to fire, it's important that you have more than one level of dragon eggs inside the hopper to provide constant feed against the barrel of the gun. In order to fire, you'll need to switch from safe to armed. Again, you have a choice, manual or auto. Today we're going to use auto. Pull the trigger and it will run continuously until you pull the trigger again to make it stop. Then we're going to switch it to manual. Pull the trigger for a single shot or hold the trigger for multiple shots. When you release the trigger for multiple shots, the mechanism will fire the last egg and stop. When on auto and you're firing, change the speed using the rheostat control. This shoots up to 35 eggs per minute and right down to a trickle. Ensure during the operational day that this feed tube remains clean. After you've cleaned up your Green Dragon launcher, at the end of the day, it's time to pack it away. It's okay to leave the glycol in overnight, but if you're leaving it for an extended period of time, it's easiest to drain the glycol. Start in the reverse order you put it together. Put it back in the place you found it. Ensure your bottle's off so it doesn't leak out overnight. Put it all back in the toolkit so you got it for the next time you're out. Ensure that you lock the gun in an upward position. Put her down tight. Then you're going to pull it off the crate, set her on the ground, open your crate, just reverse order. Put everything back where you found it. Next guy'd be mighty mad if he doesn't have it. Toolkit. Zip it up. Ensure that the manual's in there for the next guy. You're done for the day.